This is so great. I've been helpful for 3 full hours, and all Ellen's done is make phone calls.
Well, don't forget to send me a postcard.
Okay. Oh, no.
So cool. All the guys are here. I know. Awesome.
No way.
See me in my bikini. I don't believe how easy family stuff is. I can't believe it! They washed Dad's car, they cleaned the gutters, they did windows. Do you know how much my parents hate doing windows? Tucker, please, tell me you have some dirt on Ellen.
Okay, we got something better than dirt. We got garbage.
It's true. We have evidence that your sister is an international spy. Check it out. Dead batteries from the secret communication devices, huh?
Look, ripped nylons to conceal her identity on secret missions.
Tucker, I need real stuff.
How about this? Knockout gas, huh? That's
Hairspray.
Okay, torture devices.
Eyelash curler.
ooh, secret mini microphone, huh?
Mascara wand.
That's
Okay, fine. We tried, Becca. Ellen is clean.
Well, now what am I supposed to do?
Unpack?
I'll eat dirt before Ellen goes to Malta instead of me.
Perfect for my sister's birthday. Gorgeous.
How much is this clock?
No, you already have that at home.
Yeah, I guess I got a couple.
Look at that.
Morning. This the Fisher place? Special delivery.
Oh, I'll take that next time.
How much?
Here. Safe and sound in there.
All right, thanks.
Has the mail come yet? Because I thought I saw... Hello? Has my ticket come yet?
All right.
Okay, I don't usually do this, but she pushes my buttons. And she just pushed the one marked lie. The mail? Nope. Nope, haven't seen it.
Becca, can you help me price this junk?
Sure.
I am such a salesperson. Can you believe it? I got $3 just for that box of junk over there. There you go, Mom.
Box. That's great, Ellen. $3. You know what they say. One person's junk makes another person's
Trip of a lifetime.
Ugh, I'm such a jerk. I might as well forget about that trip now or ever. If my parents find out that I lost that ticket, they'll never trust me again. That ticket was non-refundable and non-replaceable.
Yeah, self-inflicted wound. The worst kind.
Look, we weren't getting anywhere spying on Ellen, but we could help you find the bird. Could you describe the alleged fowl containing the alleged ticket?
Chicken-like, smug grin, flightless.
Round up the usual suspects.
Tucker, we're the usual suspects.
Guys, listen. This is crucial.
We have to find that ticket before my parents realize that it's lost. I can't exactly ask Ellen where it went. You gotta help me find that chicken.
Hi, can I talk to Mommy? No? Okay, see, I'm looking for a chicken. Yeah, a big white bird, and, you twist its head off.
Hey, you guys do great work, man. Keep saving those chickens.
Hi, ma'am. Do you remember where you were about, 2:10 yesterday?
Where do you think I was? Walter, stop flushing your brother! Hi, hon. How was your day?
Oh, it ranked between falling down a manhole and being sucked up a thresher. Think. If only a clue would just magically fall into my lap. What are the odds?
Are those the ones from the garage sale, Horse?
Yeah, canceled stamps, but their value's negligible.
They're great, Tucker. For your collection, you know, from all over the world. Look at the ones with the turtles and fish.
Thank you, Mom, but I don't exactly, do the stamp thing anymore.
Suit yourself.
There has to be a way out of this.
Honey, your favorite.
What a fabulous day shopping for vacation wear. New bikini, sun enhancer, shades, and... Oh, I didn't forget about you.